Well, this is an onigiri, and it is made from the rice that we harvested that day. I'm here in the beautiful Japanese countryside, and I was lucky enough to witness the rice harvest of 2025 in this village here. Before coming to Japan for the first time, farming was always something that has been done by farmers. You needed to have huge sheds, huge machinery. I realized that in Japan that is very different, actually. At least in my wife's family.
Don't have to use. So when you move, grab and push, and then move it. Push, and then push your kind of inside. Yeah.
This machine is called a binder, and it cuts the rice plant and ties a thin rope around it.
Okay.
I had my trouble getting a feeling for the clutch, but after a few rows, I became more stiff. It feels so good when it shoots the connected plants to the side.
So, we have been cutting rice from 9 to 12, and 2 fields are already done. We just ate a very delicious lunch and making a break now, and after that we will be hanging the rice. In some regions of Japan, people are not hanging the rice.
Okay, actually, as I have found out recently, hanging and sun-drying the rice on sticks is pretty unusual.
Here in my wife's parents' house, they are drying it on the sticks, and I think it looks very nice. In Germany, you don't see families producing their own wheat to make their own buns or bread. It's all mass production. The family of my wife is producing about 1 ton of rice, and that is enough for the whole family to eat the whole year round. And I think that is very amazing. If the world ends, the people here at least have some rice left.
The day came to an end, and now it was time to wait. One week later, when the sun came out, we started early.
So I guess there are many styles of drying rice. Here, plastic sheets are being used. This is just the way it goes here. So now we are removing the plastic, and then after that we will be using the big machine to separate the straw from the actual rice. What an amazing machine, no? Like it knows, it separates exactly only the rice from the straw. I want to know, how does it work? Like, how does it know?
Okay, now.
How amazing is that, no? How much is that? It's not...
One bag weighs about 30 kilo, and after another step of removing the husk, it will be about 20% less in weight. If you wonder how long 26 kilo of rice lasts, I'm figuring that out by myself right now.
Okay, we are just at a random separating shop and a nice woman has made a shot with her rice, and she has just separated the husk from the rice, and you can see it in here. You put coins in here depending on how much rice you want to separate, 100 yen for 10 kilo, and the fresh rice will come out.
You can decide if you want white rice or brown rice. I didn't want to stop working on these fields. The energy is so incredible and my mind so at peace. I have never felt that. I want to harvest, plant, and take care of so many more fields in my life. Being a farmer in this century might just be stronger than any king or politician. Someone who wakes up to the sun, is grateful to his ancestors, spreads love, and walks under the sky with humbleness, is who I respect and want to be. It's really fun to harvest rice, and I'm incredibly happy and absolutely lucky to be part of this place and to be able to experience that. My journey in Japan has just begun, and before settling in one place, we need to see more. This realization made us build this van, with which we will discover the vastness of this amazing country. First.